Hey guys, what's up? It's Kahoob here. So I have some pretty exciting news for anyone who uses Crypto.com and anyone who holds CRO. So Crypto.com just surpassed 10 million users, which means they have 2x since October 2020. So in just 4 months, they had 5 million users sign up. And their revenues also grew 10x in 2020. So one thing to keep into consideration is that just because Crypto.com is having a lot of new users signing up, it doesn't necessarily mean that the price of CRO will go up. But in my opinion, I think it's kind of hard to avoid buying any CRO when you are a Crypto.com user, as there's so much use cases and utility for CRO, such as the debit cards, discounted gift cards, crypto earn, and soon staking on chain in the DeFi wallet next month. Also, how the referral system is set up, it incentivizes new users to get the Ruby Red debit card, which, by the way, I think when the new staking requirements are in place, the referral program will just change it to requiring a new user to buy $400 worth of CRO for the Ruby Red to unlock their $25 referral bonus. And speaking of the referral, if you guys want to help support my channel, using any of the referrals down in the description would help me out a lot. And I actually have had some of you guys use my referrals already, so I'm very thankful for that. So thank you guys for that. And I now want to go over some things in the white paper, but I'm getting ahead of myself. Right before that, I want to show you guys some of the Twitter posts. So Crypto.com posted we've surpassed 10 million users, 2x, 10x revenue, and it's the whole article about it. And let's see what the CEO said about it. Chris said that given our accelerating growth, we are now targeting 100 million users by the end of 2023, 2 years ahead of our original schedule. Many thanks to our incredibly supportive community. So this is amazing that they're literally 2 years ahead of schedule. I remember Chris saying that their goal was to go from 5 million users to 15 million users in 1 year. I think for 2021, their goal was to 3x their users, and they only need 5 more million to reach that. And we're still in the beginning of 2021. So they're definitely going to surpass 15 million users and probably even 25 million users by the end of this month, or the end of this year, honestly. So we'll see what happens. We'll see where they get to in user growth. But they're definitely growing like wildfire. That's probably why they have the fire right here. Just realized that. All right. Now I'll get into the white paper. So there's a few things in here I want to show you guys. So it's more about the mainnet and the Crypto.com chain, as CRO is currently a ERC20 token, which means it's ran on the Ethereum network, which means you have to pay those really high gas fees with Ethereum right now for CRO. But soon the fees will be paid in CRO and really cheap as well. So I'm just going to read a few things. You guys can check out the white paper for yourselves, as there's a lot in here. I'm not going to literally just, read every single thing, but just a few things that I found kind of important and cool. So Crypto.org chain is the next generation public blockchain that enables transactions worldwide between people and businesses. It is also the technology that powers Crypto.com Pay. Sorry about that. Our mobile payment solution, and will be used to revolutionize the world of payments, DeFi, and NFT. So Crypto.org chain has the following key value propositions: secure, instant low cost, and permissionless. And let's see, you guys can kind of read more about that. So here's more info on the testnet and block explorer. The main thing I kind of just wanted to read is that you can see that on the Crypto.com chain website, you can see basically anyone can see and review the Crusade testnet on-chain activity, including node staking and governance. And the new Crypto.org chain explorer makes an important milestone on our road to mainnet and supports our decentralized and permissionless vision for the network. And let's see, it's 23. Some more on here. We can see that this is pretty interesting. So in the long term, Crypto.org chain will be able to run without CRO protocol labs entities as we develop the key pieces of architecture and technology to enable it. Trustless mechanisms to increase access to transaction validation nodes, built-in and proven security protocols to keep bad actors at bay, balanced incentives for valued added contributors and disincentives for free riders. upgradability and flexibility of the chain through community code contributions. And let's see, so there's more down here that I wanted to share with you guys. Let's see. So we can see more about the CRO token right here, the updated version of it. So the token name is Crypto.org coin, token ticker CRO. And we can see the token total supply is 30 billion CRO. And we can see right here, secondary distribution only, no pre-sale, no public sale, and no ICO, 100% circulating supply, 100% decentralized, focused on revolutionizing payments, DeFi, and NFTs. And then we can go down and see the token distribution and planned use. So in February 2021, Crypto.com announced updates to the CRO token distribution with the goal of 100% decentralization in preparation for Crypto.org mainnet launch. So we can see about the token burn right here, 70 billion CRO, reducing the total supply to 30 billion CRO. And the remaining 5.9 billion CRO will be used as mainnet block rewards for chain validators and allocation to Particle B for ecosystem development, which I'm pretty sure in my price prediction video, I talked about Particle B. And we can see all the different wallets that they have and how much CRO they're holding. So Capital Reserve is holding 20 billion tokens, and we can see that 100% of it was burned. And then we can see Community Development, 5.5 billion currently holding, 100% burned. And then secondary launch, distribution, and launch incentives, 10.4 billion, 100% burned. But just remember that 10.4 of this right here will be burned as it gets minted by the smart contract. So this is the amount that will be burned monthly. And then ecosystem grants, 96% of it was burned and 4% allocated to Particle B. So it's for like development and stuff. So Particle B is pretty interesting. So then network long-term incentives, 20 billion, 75% burned, 25% allocated to chain block rewards. So obviously they're making sure that they can keep development and funds and making sure that the Crypto.com org chain or Crypto.org chain improves and gets better as it goes along as they keep some CRO to fund that and everything. You guys can read more in all of the white paper and stuff, but that's the main things I really wanted to go over. One last thing I wanted to mention is the Crypto.org chain. You can actually go to the website, and if you're a developer, you can go to GitHub and check it all out. It's open source, as you can see, and you can read more about it right here. The developers, partners, community, the white paper, all the different things on here, tools, partners, community. So, and the Explorer right here, so you can see the Crusade Explorer testnet, and all the delegated transactions, block height, and all of this stuff. So it's pretty interesting, especially if you're a developer. You can look more into that. And yeah, that was the last thing I wanted to mention. So I'll see you guys later in the next video.